In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 4 powerful alternatives to Trello. Now, why 4? Because the best tool really depends on your specific needs, whether you're after something free, feature-rich, or best for teams. I've broken these down so you can figure out which one fits you best. First up, we have Asana, which is most similar to Trello. If you've tried Trello but found it lacking in some features, Asana is the first alternative I recommend. It offers a very similar experience in terms of project and task management, but with extra layers of functionality like rules automation, resource planning, admin controls, AI tools, and enhanced workflow management. One of the highlights? Asana has a great free plan, making it an excellent replacement if you're looking for a straightforward, Trello-like experience without needing to spend anything. Next, let's look at Taiga, which is the best free advanced tool in this lineup and is open source. It's an option you might not have heard of, but it's trusted by major companies like Airbus and HP. The big advantage here is that it's completely free, especially if you're tech savvy and can self-host. This tool includes features like Kanban boards, Scrum and Agile support, issue tracking, custom dashboards and reporting, and can integrate with other tools via Zapier. While it does have a learning curve, it's incredibly powerful, especially if you're managing complex projects. Moving on, we have ClickUp, which is the best all-in-one option for small to medium teams. ClickUp is hands down my favorite alternative. It's a true all-in-one solution for project and product management, team collaboration, resource tracking, and knowledge management. Their free plan is generous, offering unlimited members and features that are great for personal use or small teams. But the magic really happens when you upgrade. The business plan stands out as one of the best values out there, especially for teams who want robust features without the overwhelm. Finally, let's talk about Wrike, which is best for larger organizations. It's similar to ClickUp in terms of what it offers, but it's positioned more for large enterprises. It's a bit more expensive, but if you're running a company with 25 plus users and need advanced team and permission management, Wrike could be your ideal fit. To quickly recap, for the best free and familiar experience, consider Asana. Looking for the most advanced free option? Taiga is your tool. If you need an all-in-one solution for small teams, ClickUp is a great choice. And for larger teams, Wrike stands out as a superior option. And that wraps up my rundown of the best Trello alternatives. Whether you're switching because you've outgrown Trello or just want something different, there's definitely a tool here that'll match your workflow and scale with your team. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more productivity tool breakdowns, and drop a comment letting me know which platform you're thinking of trying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay productive and organized.